Hi, my name's Stacey and I work in finance in San Francisco, and in 2018 I participated in the Investing Accelerator program. Before this, I would save money and invest it in government bonds, and I was lucky to get a 1 or 2% return per year. But now I know I have the knowledge to turn anything I save into an extra 30 or 40% within a year. My first investment was in Starbucks when it was at $49 in June 2018. This then increased to $69 in the November, so that's a return of 40% within 5 months. Since then, I've invested in a few other stocks, including Disney, which when I invested was at $98 in July 2018 and reached $120 in October. So that is a return of 20% over 4 months. Since participating in the program, I am always on the lookout in the news for stocks which I think would make my next good investment, and I'm always researching movements within the stock market to see where there is money to be made. I would recommend this course to anyone. I give it 5 stars out of 5, and my advice would be to make notes, watch every single video, because the knowledge you gain from this course will change the rest of your life.